In this video, we will learn how to use SQL to analyze sales data and provide insights into the top-selling products and regions. The example data represents sales transactions for a company. The table includes columns product, region, date, revenue, and units sold. The main SQL commands that are commonly used for performing this type of data analysis are: select is used to retrieve columns from a table. Sum function is used to calculate the sum of values in a column. Group by is used to group rows based on a specified columns. Order by is used to sort rows based on one or more columns. DESC is used to sort rows in descending order. Limit is used to limit the number of rows returned by a query. As you can see in the example query, it has grouped the data by product, region, then calculated sum of total revenue and total units. Finally, it sorted the results to find the top 10 selling products and regions. I hope it is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.